Today we are going to see how we mount earth cement bricks which have been compressed. So we are going to see the step-by-step process of how to mount the bricks. How do you lay these bricks?
Okay, these bricks, they are actually decorative bricks. Usually this is the front of the house. Okay, the bugaro, mainly a wall itself.
Already, and what you bury? Now the process is you added this button is of 1.5 centimeters. Okay, and then when you lay a button on solid bricks, now
you now lay your mortar following the level of the button. Let the mortar not be below or above the button. Be equally with the button. Now, after you have laid the bricks, you have laid the mortar, you lay the bricks on top of the mortar itself. Now you use the button to chop. Hold it like this. You put the mortar here and choke it. Now when you are choking, this space, the mortar jaw will not be filled equally to the bricks. It has a hole in the middle, which therefore means at the end of the day, now when we finish realizing the work, kind of an empty cement paste. And now we do ball pointing.
Okay, you do ball pointing. Okay, let's show the students how we do this. Okay.
The button is chalk, not a float, but it was a normal wall. We block it in or block 20. You use a float to chop the joints.
Okay. So what is the mixture of the sand cement that you're using here?
Yeah, the sand, no, it's just a normal, but this batching here is more richer because the wall needs to be more stronger. So it shouldn't be destabilized by wind over whatever, say the decorative wall. So okay, 1 numero of sand and a half for 1 bag of cement.
Okay, so you're normally the normal mortar for elevation is 3 barrels of sand for 1 bag, but this side is 1.5 barrel of sand for 1 bag of cement. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so we are just going to see how you chop the mortar. It's okay, we'll just mount and see how you chop the mortar. Go into the next and you see you repeat the same process. Okay, so what is your advice to students?
Okay, my little advice I can give to in this type of field is that what don't end at the level of classwork of theory. Go to the field because you cannot claim to be a technician where you cannot lay a block and plumbing where you cannot claim to be an engineer where you don't know what's happening in the field. Be an engineer both in the field, in the theoretical part and in the practical part so that you can make it quick. Somebody should not be destabilized somewhere and fool and no risk at all. Be equilibrium, both practical and theory.
So this is what I can tell you.